Welcome to Activity 25. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with our 5 plus bonds said as a subtraction equation. I'll show you an example. Here we would have the whole of 7 and we would say 7 subtract 5 equals 2. Or we could say the whole of 7 subtract 2 equals 5. When we place the blocks, we are only going to place the block that is the answer, or the part that is the answer to the subtraction equation. We need 8 counters to keep score and our spinner. I also need 4 5 blocks, 2 will be blank, and 1 of each of these blocks. I need to jumble these blocks. Player 1 goes first. 6 subtract 1 equals 5, and they place the 5 block. I also place a counter for being able to place a block. Player 2 goes next. They spin the same. 6 subtract 1 equals 5. This has already been done, so they cannot place the block and they cannot put a counter on. Player 1 would have their turn. 6 subtract 5 equals 1. They place the block that is the answer, and because they placed a block, they get to place a counter. The last one I'll show you is player 2 has another turn, and they say 9 subtract 5 equals 4, and they place the block of 4 and a counter for being correct. We play for 3 minutes, and whoever places the most number of blocks is the winner. When filling our winning counters, we want to fill going across using 5 wides filling so that we can reinforce the bond of 5 and 1 or 5 and 2. Now it's your turn.